Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and scroll on down and smash that subscribe button to join me on all my Minecraft adventures, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marking. Before I get into today's video, guys, I would just like to say, if you have not already smashed that thumbs up button, please make sure to go ahead and smash it to let me know that you love seeing me head to these dimensions. But in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Hungry Shark dimension and probably getting one of our legs ate off. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 10 blue wool, and you want to go ahead and place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need fur white wool, and you want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of the blue wool just like that, guys. Then you just want to go ahead, jump on up, grab your blue wool, and then place 1, 2, 3 blue wool on this side, 1 white wool on top, and then just go ahead and jump on down. Ow, that really hurt. And then you just want to go ahead and place 1, 2, 3, and then 2 in the middle, guys. Oh my gosh. 2 in the middle, and then 1 white wool on the edge, and boom, you are finished, guys. It should look exactly like that. Make sure it looks exactly like that, and after it looks like that, just go ahead and grab your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look amazing, guys? That looks absolutely amazing. Now it's time to go ahead and head on in and hopefully meet some hungry sharks. Hopefully it loads up quick and I'm not an old granny. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that did load up quick, and I don't think I'm an old granny. I don't know. Let me go ahead and check this chest. It looks like we have a potion of night vision, which is really good. What's inside this chest? A potion of water breathing. That's really good, guys. Now we can combine these two and hopefully be able to see underwater, guys. Hopefully. We might get it underwater and be like blind, but I gotta find a way out of her first. Hopefully there is a way out of here, because it looks like we're blocked in, guys. I believe we're inside an ocean monument right now. And whoa, what's going on in here, guys? Oh my god, what just shot me? Oh my gosh. Whoa, is this room like secured or something? Oh my god, they got laser beams shooting through at me, guys. I have never seen that. Oh my god, I gotta get out of here. Whoa, guys, there was some freaky stuff going on back there, guys. I'm not even sure what was up with that. Let's go ahead and try to find a way out of here, guys. It looks like we might be stuck inside this monument. Oh no, I think this is the way out, guys. Whoa, this looks really cool, guys. Like, really cool. Let me go ahead and spawn my pig. Hold down the fortress. I will be back. Whoa, what the heck's going on with that shark? Oh my god, the shark's breaking in. Oh my god, I'm leaving. I am leaving. Oh my god. Whoa, did you guys see those 2 humongous sharks? Wow, what's up with that light beam shooting up into the sky? That's pretty crazy, guys. But oh my gosh. Whoa. Look at that humongous shark. Oh my god, guys. I can definitely tell that somebody has been getting his milk. Wow, that is an absolutely humongous shark, guys. Oh my god, what was that? Did you guys just see that? Something just like flew right in front of my face. And oh my god, what is up with these guys shooting beams? I'm not even for sure how they got that superpower, guys. They must have like ate a radioactive human or something, guys. Because that is crazy how they're able to shoot beams. I wish I was able to shoot beams like that. Did I ever tell you guys about that one time I was on a beach and there was actually a shark that tried to come up to me, like these sharks right here, guys, and I actually caught him mid-air, opened his mouth, and kicked one of his teeth out. That's right, guys, and that was in real life. I did that. No lies, guys, no lies. But let's go ahead, let's light this TNT up and blow the heck out of this humongous shark. There's gonna be like shark pieces flying everywhere, guys. Boom! Oh my god, did you guys see how massive that explosion was? And whoa, it didn't even phase. It didn't even phase that humongous shark. And look at him, guys. He's able to tilt his head all the way up into the air, guys. Like, that is crazy. I should have jumped off this TNT and jumped into his mouth. And then I would have went, like, into his stomach. And then I don't want to talk about what I would have came out of. But let's go ahead, blow this TNT up, and hopefully kill him, guys. Hopefully this will be the end of the Hungry Shark Man. Oh my god, I'm falling. Ooh, I fell, guys. But whoa, I think we killed him. I think that actually killed him, guys. Wow, I don't see him anymore. All of his little friends are still trying to attack me, guys. But I think he died, which is a good thing, guys, which is really a good thing. You better back off me, little shark, before I mess you up, boy. Boom, take that. Bam. Ooh, bang. Ooh, bang. Right in the chin. Oh my gosh, guys. Boom. We finally killed him, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolute amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.